This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in tempo and signal flow so decisions later are fast. Set Garageband to 150-155 BPM, create a synth track, bass track, drum kit, and an FX return. Once done, switch audio settings to 24-bit, 44,100 Hz, and enable the metronome so timing stays precise. Make a template immediately. This saves setup time each session and ensures consistent routing and levels. Now record a 4-bar click-aligned loop to use. Now build the rhythmic and low-end foundation. Program a punchy kick with a tight transient sample and layer a tracked sine sub on a separate bass track so you keep control. Once you have both, set up sidechain compression so the kick ducks the bass. Use a fast attack and medium release to keep groove. Then shape with EQ. Reduce boxiness around 200-400 Hz on the kick and boost visceral energy at 50-80 Hz on the sub, adding gentle saturation to glue harmonics. Finish by creating the lead and arranging the track into clear sections. Design a hardstyle-compatible lead with detuned saws or pulse waves, add portamento for glide, and automate a high-pass or filter cutoff to create tension. Structure the song, intro, build, drop, breakdown, and repeat, automating reverb and delay on transitions. If the mix sounds muddy, check phase alignment, remove overlapping low frequencies, and tighten sidechain settings. Make small adjustments, and listen on headphones and monitors to confirm translates well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.